Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off in-ear monitoring on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down again and go to global sounds section. Here in global sound section, you can see here the in-ear monitoring. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the in-ear monitoring, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, when turned on, you can enjoy a live karaoke experience in real time through your earphones. Turn off the in-ear monitoring function in your karaoke app to avoid sounds problems. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off in-ear monitoring on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.